If you're running bigger tires on your Jeep XJ, stock fenders just don't cut it. They rub, crack, and throw mud everywhere. Fender flares fix clearance and protection while upgrading the look. I've checked specs, reviews, and real-world installs, and the links to every product are waiting for you in the video description. The Affordable Offroad steel fender flares are the most hardcore option here. Straight-up trail armor. CNC cut from 1/8-inch steel and hand-built in the USA, they dramatically increase tire clearance and strength. Reviews say installation takes real work, including drilling and some grinding, but the payoff is a super rugged custom look. Once coated or painted, they're tough as nails and ready for serious rock-crawling abuse. The G Plus fender flares are a budget-friendly upgrade that still delivers legit off-road style. Built from impact-resistant polypropylene, they hold up well against rocks, mud, and sand, while keeping installation pretty straightforward with included hardware. Owners like the textured UV-resistant finish and factory-style coverage, though fitment may require careful alignment. These are great if you want practical protection and a tougher look without dropping serious cash. The Bushwacker fender flares are a top-tier pick if you want that clean, aggressive stance without sacrificing durability. Made from Duraflex 2000 TPO material, they're thick yet flexible enough to absorb trail hits without cracking. Reviews consistently highlight precise fitment and solid hardware, though minor drilling may be required. You also get extra tire clearance and UV protection, so they won't fade after a few sunny seasons. Perfect for daily drivers that still hit the dirt on weekends. No matter your budget or build style, the right fender flares can totally transform your XJ's performance and attitude. Check the links to all products in the video description, and if this review helped you out, hit subscribe for more gear breakdowns and real-world upgrade guides.